Hello viewers, today's video we are gonna discuss about types of color in CSS. So let's start the lecture without wasting our time and stay tuned with us. Now if we talk about colors in CSS, there are three ways to add color in our web. The first one is color by name, the second one is color by value, and the third one is color by hex value. The first one is color by name. For color by name, I will create a h1 heading tag inside my body and I will write my web. And now I will create a p tag and I will write lorem up to 3 times and I will save it. Now I will create a style attribute inside the body and I will write a h1 curly brace color colon red semicolon. And now I will create a p curly brace and I will write color colon and blue semicolon and I will save it and I will open my web page. Now you can see that the h1 has changed to red and rp has changed to blue. This is an example of color by name. Now the second one is RGB, which stands for red, green and blue. For RGB demonstration, I will write body curly brace and I will write background dash color. Now I will write RGB. Now you can see that there are three colors named as red, green and blue. Now I will just remove the names of the color and I will tell you that the maximum value of red is 255 and the maximum value of green is 255 also, and the maximum value of blue is 255 also. Now if we equally mix the red, green and blue, a color has formed as white. Now I will just remove the 255 and I will write 0 and saved. Now a new color has formed as yellow. Now we can change it by using our VS Code color picker. By just moving, I will just move it to orange and I will give a look of light orangish and I will save it. We can also use the color picker online. This is the color picker which I had already using it. I can change the color to light yellow and this is the hex value, this is the RGB value. I will just copy this, go to my VS Code editor and paste it here and paste it here and I will save it. I can also change the color by going to color picker and give a reddish and olive orange view and I will just copy the RGB, go to VS Code editor and paste it here and save it. Now a red and orangish color, light red and orangish color of our web page background has formed. This is the second method. The third method is hex value method. For hex value method, I will just remove RGB and we will write a hash and we will write FFF. This is a value of FFF. I can change the middle F to 8 or 5 and saved. Now a new color has formed. We can go to the VS Code color picker and change it to hex value. Now I can change it to this color and I will save it. We can also go to color picker and change and the color plate and make a new color I like this color, so I will just copy this and go to our VS Code editor and paste it right here and save it. And now go to our document file. Now the background has changed. I hope you understand. That's all for now. Take care and goodbye.